Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I know it's been a long while and this is well overdue now, so I had to come on here and give you guys an explanation as to why my channel has been MIA, missing in action, or why there's no video on my channel, or where has the girl Sasha gone, like where has she been, what has she been doing. So let's get into all of that right now. So guys, this is about the third video, the third take, or the third recording that I've been doing, because the first one, I think some noise was being made in the background, and the second, I just needed to be clear as to what I was saying, and the audio wasn't clear enough, so I decided to do this back again. Hope don't have to do it a fourth time. So first off, I want to say thank you guys that are still subscribed to my channel. Like, that means so much to me. Like, thank you for still supporting me. God, that's still being a supporter. If you're still subscribed to a channel that doesn't have any more content or isn't producing, like, that says so much about you guys. And I want to tell you thanks to the 100 and something that I still have on here. Thank you so much, guys. I really do appreciate it. And also, yeah, I guess because I've deleted my social media, I think that should be another video as to why I did that. But it's nothing to look, to think deep in. Just that, your girl has been reevaluating herself or been seeing things differently. That's how I used to see. But as I said, that's for another video. So some of you guys gonna get to reach out to me, although you haven't really been doing that through social media. I guess most people that are close to me and know that I have a YouTube channel would normally like reach out to me or even text me, but no one haven't asked as to why I haven't been producing anything. And I'm not like bashing anybody. That's totally fine. So yeah, the first reason, guys, why I haven't been posting is because for one, as some of you might know, I go to school. Well, I was going to school, that's all finished now because I'm finished with school, thanks be to God. But I had issues pertaining to a course as I was supposed to leave. Seeing that something went wrong, one of my courses, I had to redo it, and then still experiencing problems. I was wondering, like, am I gonna be okay? Is everything gonna go fine? So I had to take a step back, sort things out, and it was sorted, thanks be to God. So yeah, that was one. Two thing, I was re-evaluating myself, like second guessing things, wondering if this channel is for me, what I'm doing, is it right for me to do. Mom, what? Every minute I record is interrupted. Yes guys, sorry about that again. um yeah, I've been re-evaluating my channel, myself, wondering if the videos that I'm doing are they what I really enjoy doing. Are people enjoying the content that I'm creating, and is this the niche for me? So finding out what I want to do. You remember I used to do that video like in your 20s type of video. I guess I started to, take my own advice and just really re-evaluate stuff. So yeah, that's another reason. And as some of you might know, I am a believer. I am a Christian, and I guess I've like from I was baptized at the age of 18. I consider myself as Christian, yes, but I wasn't like grounded or rooted or started to take up my Bible as often as I should, or prayed a lot as I should. But I've started to take it seriously now that I'm like 21. It's like I had a wake up call, if you might call it that, and I started to like, yeah, like I had a wake up call from God, and I started to get more rooted and reading my Bible a lot and meditating on the word and watching a lot of what would you call it, videos and so forth, and the music that I used to listen, like I just find myself gravitating more towards gospel genre, like um, singers like Travis Green and who else again, Sinach and Tasha Cobbs, and all those great um, gospel singers. Some things about me I'm seeing changing. Like I don't see myself as I was, like a couple of years ago and so forth. But that's life. As you go, you change, and things about you. Well, at least for me, that's what I'm learning. So yeah, and some of these videos I started to wonder, like, are they glorifying God? Is this the right thing to do? So I guess all these combined are the reasons why. So I just said, let me just take a break, gather my thoughts, gather myself, and just private all these videos, think about what I wanted to do, and also, like the outside life. I'm wondering if I should continue this. But I'm back, guys. I am back. So yeah, thank you guys so much again for staying tuned. Look out for more videos. If you have any ideas that you want to share, that you want me to do, don't hesitate to comment down below. And did I leave anything out? Oh, my hair. You guys might be wondering what's happening to her hair. So as you know, normally wear like my braids, false locks, fox locks. That's what it's called. And um, so again, as I said before, I am on like a wake up call, like on this journey. I used to feel like I did things not for myself, but I guess how other people viewed me. And I just like, you know what? I don't really care anymore what people think of my appearance. Like, I'm not saying I'm not gonna dress good, but like, if I want to twist my hair, then I'm gonna twist my hair. If I want to do locks, then I'm gonna do locks. If I wanna catch my hair up in one, then so be that way. You can't do all those three in one, but just giving you an idea, the mindset that I'm in. Just don't let people opinion of me define who I am or makes me feel some type of way about myself. It's my life, it's me at the end of the day. So yeah, I guess that's self-discovery journey. But yeah, that's, I guess, for another video as well. So until next time, and thank you guys so much again. I can't stop stressing that. Thank you so much for staying tuned, and even those that are gonna watch this video. And if you have anything to add, just jot it down. Remember, positivity. Anything that's not, I'll just anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.